I'm gonna take a video and stay.
This is Chloe with her little fat underwear.
It's not underwear, it's diaper.
Diaper. Same thing. Technically.
She looks so scared.
She looks scared. Okay, Chloe, time to change your diaper.
Why? She hates it.
Be like Jeffy.
No, don't. You're doing animal abuse right now. It's animal abuse.
Look at this. She ripped it.
You ripped it.
No, it wasn't me. It was she. It was a girl. So Rouge went off.
Cause she needed to be a
a
girl.
girl. I say way better than you. Cause I'm a boy. No, you can stay right there like a girl. Like a girl. Like a girl.
Even a good girl.
Yeah, same thing.
No, it's not.
Girl. You're gonna be a girl. Chloe, stick out your little paw. Good girl. Look.
Feels better than before.
So this is Chloe in her diaper.
Her foot is kind of